I got this button-down shirt from a thrift store and started cutting up the sleeve to find my desired shape of my coin purse. I put the bad sides of the fabric, in my case, the white sides, facing outwards, and sewn all around, just leaving the flat top opened. Now, turning it right side outwards, the seams are clean. Next, I folded it inside, about 1 inch. This will be creating a tunnel to feed a drawstring through. Pinning that fold inside, I put 2 parallel lines with a chalk marker, outlining where my buttonholes will be. Now unpinning the fold, we know where to put the buttonholes. We made a buttonhole tutorial video. Follow that here if you need a refresher. I cut the buttonholes open with scissors, then pinned the tunnel back inside the bag and sewn around the edge. After feeding the shoestring through, you can tie it off and you are done. Fill your coin purse with any desired items of your choosing. Thank you for watching.